In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove manual line breaks in Google Sheets. If you've ever pasted text into a spreadsheet and it shows up stacked on multiple lines inside a single cell, those are manual line breaks. They're usually created by pressing a key combination like Shift plus Enter, and they can make sorting, filtering, or exporting your data a headache. The good news is, Google Sheets has a built-in function that cleans those up in a snap. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, click the grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. From there, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet that contains the text with those unwanted line breaks. Click on an empty cell where you want the cleaned version to appear. This keeps your original data intact while you verify the result. With that cell selected, type an equals sign, then start typing clean. You'll see a suggestion for the clean function. Select it or continue typing until you have clean with an opening parenthesis. Now, click on the cell that contains the text you want to fix. You should see that cell's reference appear inside the parenthesis after clean. Depending on your settings, Sheets may add the closing parenthesis automatically. If not, just type it yourself. Press Enter to run the formula. The result in the new cell should look identical to the original, except the manual line breaks are gone. The clean function removes non-printing characters, including the line feed that creates those breaks, so your text will now flow on a single line. A couple of quick tips to help you interpret what you see. If your text still looks like it's on multiple lines after using clean, check whether the cell is just wrapped visually. Wrapping is a display choice and doesn't mean the line breaks are still there. Try widening the column to confirm. Also, clean removes line breaks entirely, which means it doesn't automatically insert spaces where those breaks were. If the lines were separate sentences, you may notice words are now adjacent. That's expected behavior with this method. If the formula returns exactly the same text, it likely means there weren't manual line breaks in that cell to begin with. And if you see the formula instead of a result, make sure the cell isn't treated as plain text. That's all you need to quickly remove manual line breaks in Google Sheets using the clean function. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!